Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Welcome to this quick editing tutorial using the LSP Hallmark presets. A stunning image on my screen. Beautiful Christmas mini by Linda at Timeless Morals. Absolutely gorgeous. I mean, this is just perfect. So what we're going to do is we're going to go through the all-in-one section of the Hallmark presets to find the perfect image edit for this image. I'm just going through, just clicking on them. These are changing quite quickly because I've got the real-time color adjustments on. This means you won't see any of the skin edits until you turn it off, but it's great to have that button on while you're just going through so you can find your perfect edit. I quite like scent of this. I quite like the background being dark because it kind of brings that attention in to the subjects there. But let's carry on and have a look. Baking, I mean, that has to work right for this one. I do like that one. Cookies, I mean, they're making cookies. Does that one work? I do like that as well. I like the brightness of that one. Workshop, Cozy Den. I do like Cozy Den as well, actually. Prancer, Pastel, Jingle, Toasty, Mould, and Snowball. I think it was a bit of a toss-up between Santa, Cookies, and Baking, which so it should be, really. You just click, and you can afford to click around because once you find your perfect blend, you just sync it and your gallery is done. I kind of like this vintage vibe to Baking, but I think we might go for Cookies. You can manually tweak the exposure of your image as well and your white balance. I'm just tweaking that about just a touch. I really like that. So before and after. And now I'm just going to crop that in. And the cool thing is you just do a little bit now and then you can sync this effect to your entire gallery in Evoto. This is the magic of Evoto. And this is why I adore creating presets, to make the process even faster. So let's just crop that in. Say about there. I'd say if you can crop, it's better than trying to fix the background in every photo. In Evoto, you can do a little bit of background fixing. I'm just going to turn off the real-time color adjustments now because that's going to show us all the skin and other edits that are involved with this preset. So let's see our before and our after. Skin and everything has been fixed. See there before and after. We've got this beautiful Christmas vibe to the whole image. And you can manually tweak if you want to, just a little bit. You can either go through the sections, tweaking the skin, the scene, the subjects, the background. I might make the background a little bit brighter, just to kind of, because we've got some very bright whites going on there. You have finishing grades as well. These are kind of like filters, I guess. So if you want to kind of put this wash over your image, you can do. The Innocence one is actually really nice, I think, for this because it gives it that very vintage vibe. But if you want, you can take it off. Each section you have a reset bit which doesn't affect the rest of your image. You can also hit the undo button as well. So let's see where we started and where we finished. And then all you need to do is hold down the shift key and you select all the images in that gallery. I mean, I only have one on here, but you would be importing a whole gallery. And you just hit sync and it's going to synchronize those settings. You just hit save. It will synchronize and make those changes to your entire image. One thing I might do is on the background, I might hit whites purify. And that's just going to purify any kind of colour cast left over on the whites. And we can sync that across. I really like the vintage edit for this one, but of course you can edit to your own style and tastes. Editing is very subjective and these presets cover all of it. I really hope that helps. You can watch the other video tutorials on the LSP Actions website. I really wish you very, very fast editing for your Christmas minis. I'm Lauren, thanks for watching, and thank you Linda for sending this beautiful shot in.